Okay. I'm going to go over the 70 phonograms, and I'm going to give all the sounds, including some of the schwa sounds. So all the sounds of these basic 70 phonograms or graphemes. Ready? The sounds are a, 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 a. E. Again, E. I, E. I, E. A, O, U, A. A, O, U, A. U, U, This one has two long sounds. U, U, This one. This is our first consonant here. And this one gives people trouble, and I want to just help you out here. As you're reading, we go in this direction to read. As you're reading, the first thing you'll hit is a line. Now, I want you to make your lips into a line and say B. B. If you'll feel your lips, you'll feel that they form a line when you make the sound B. When you're writing this one, start with the line and then trace it up and make the belly. And if you start with your line very close to the letter in front of it, there's only one direction to make the belly. You won't make any mistakes. So this is B. Two sounds. K, S. Again, K, S. And the rule is that C says S in front of E, I, and Y. Ready? K, S. This consonant is also confusing. As you're going in this direction, you run into the open part, the circle. Make your mouth into a circle and say D. If you'll feel your lips are open, and you say D. When you're writing it, write the circle part first. Up tall, drop it down. Okay? D. Two sounds, G, J. And as with the other letter, G may say J before E, I, and Y. So it's G, J. J, J, K. And this is the one we use to spell the K sound in front of E, I, and Y. K. L, M, N. And again, this can be confusing. As you're reading, going in this direction, you run into the line. Make your mouth into a line and say P. And when you're writing it, if you'll draw the line first, there's only one direction to make the belly, and it's P. Remember, letters that begin with a line start very close to the letter in front of it. Qu. Qu. And here, look at this. You've run into an open part. Your mouth actually makes a circle when you say Qu. And Q always needs a U. R. R. S. Z. Two sounds. S. Z. T. V. w, oo. 4 sounds. When it's at the beginning of a base word, it says y, like yellow and yes. But at any other position, it's a vowel, and it has one of the vowel sounds, I or I, E, 2 long sounds. So the consonant sound, y, vowel sounds, I, E. X, z, sh, tongue out a little bit. It's the one time you can stick your tongue out at a teacher. 2 sounds. 3 sounds. Ch, k, sh. Again. Ch, k, sh. 2 sounds. Huh, and h. And it only says h in front of an O. Like who and whose and whom. Okay? So it usually says huh, and it sometimes says r, used only at the beginning of a base word. R. E, the most common E in the middle of a syllable. The most common and it's the as in her. This one, R. AR says R. Or. 3 sounds. Oo, o. Again, oo, o. I like to say, don't eat the food you took from the floor. Food, took, floor. O. Oi, and this is the oi we primarily use at the end of a word, although it can be seen in other parts as well. Oi. This says oi, but we never use this at the end of an English word. Oi. Ow, o. Ow, o. Ow, o, oo, Again, ow, o, oo, A. And this is the most common A at the end of a word. A, and this one we never use at the end of an English word. 3 sounds. E, A. Again, E, A. As in ring. Aw. Aw, never used at the end of an English word. K. This is the 2-letter k that's used after a single short vowel. So this is only used at the end of a base word or at the end of a syllable in some cases, after a single short vowel. J, the 3-letter J, used only after a single short vowel. Ch, the 3-letter Ch, that's used after a single short vowel with a couple of exceptions. O, oo. Primarily it says O, but there's a few words like canoe where it says oo. O, and this O we never use at the end of an English word. The past tense ending, ed, d, t. Again, ed, d, t. The of nurse and purse. The of first. the of work and worm and word. 3 sounds. As in early, but it also says ear and air. Ear, air. I. The 3-letter I used only at the end of a word or in front of a T. I. Sh. 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 Z. Again. Sh. Z. A. The 4-letter A used at the end of a word or in front of a T, like in the word 8. A, E, I. Again, A, E, I. A, E. N. This is the 2-letter N used only at the beginning of a base word, like knee and knowledge. N. This is the 2-letter N that can be used at the beginning of a word, like gnat, or at the end of a word, like sign. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, you. Ooh, you. Last one. O, ooh, up, off, ah, ow. Again. O, ooh, up, off, ah, ow. And that's it.